Hello, hello, Kim here with Brainy Girl. Today we set up an affiliate program for a client who has a Thinkific site, and she wanted her students to be able to promote her programs and pay them a percentage of the enrollments that they brought into her, which is an excellent strategy for increasing your sales without putting any cost up front. So yes, you're paying an affiliate fee when they bring in new enrollments, but oftentimes those aren't people that you would even necessarily get in your net anyways. I do have another video on how much you should pay your affiliates, in my opinion, that I'll link either down in the description or up on the screen somewhere here. And you can check that out when you've watched this video. So we offer this as a service, setting up a Thinkific or an affiliate program for people with Thinkific sites. But I also have a do-it-yourself course so that you could do this on your own if you wanted to. It's really important that it's set up properly so it runs smoothly. And it's a fantastic strategy for bringing in more sales. So I wanted to just give you a sneak peek at Kelly's site here and what we did and how it sort of works all together so you could get an idea of how an affiliate program would work. So let's dive in. Okay, so here we are on Kelly's Thinkific site. I'll put the link up to her site here in case you want to check it out. She's really well known in the meditation industry. And she offers meditation masterclasses and so on. So what we've done is set up an affiliate application. So really, we have the link down here. We also have it linked within every one of her courses so that when someone goes through a course, the last thing that they're offered is the ability to become an affiliate. So I'm going to click on Become Affiliate. And what we've done is we've actually set up a course on her site, and it's the BrainSync affiliate program. So this is the affiliate page basically where they can log in or they can apply to become an affiliate if they're not an affiliate yet. And we just show them in here what we've got inside the resource center to help them be able to bring in more sales. That's obviously advantageous to you when you give them everything that they need. So the reason that you want someone to apply to become an affiliate is ideally you want to look through their URLs and their social sites to see what kinds of things that they're promoting, what their audience is like. You want to make sure that there's a good brand fit between your business and theirs. You know, if you are really against swearing and you go onto one of their social media pages and there's curse words everywhere, that wouldn't necessarily align with your brand. So we want to ask the kind of questions that we need to determine whether that person would be a good fit as an affiliate of ours or not. So I'm just going to click on Apply Now. Now we can use a Google form. In this case, we used a Typeform, which are much more branded, quite lovely actually. And they've got more, we can do more with a Typeform than we can with like a simple Google form. So we just want to take them through the application process. So basically we're asking for their first name, last name, email address, telephone number, right? The basic stuff that we need to know. We want to know if they participated in one of our courses. So how familiar are they with our brand and our products? We want to know where they're promoting our courses and programs. We want to know what their PayPal address is because that's how we're going to be paying them out. Then we want them to read the terms and conditions. I won't go any further here through her terms and conditions, but we want to make sure that they've read the terms and conditions and that we have on file that they've agreed to them before we go ahead and process that affiliate application. So once we process that application, or in this case, Kelly or her team processes that application, they're going to set up that person as an affiliate on their site, and they're going to enroll them in this course that we've set up for them, which is the BrainSync affiliate program. It's basically a resource center for affiliates housed on their Thinkific site. So we've got all their next steps here. We've got the terms and conditions here, frequently asked questions. We've put together their affiliate guide for them to, again, help their affiliates understand how the program works, how they can best promote it. And then we've even set up their swipe copy. So this is a copy that can be used by their affiliates on their emails or in their emails or on their social sites or as posts, right? So that is branded copy. That person doesn't have to think about, well, how am I going to promote this and how am I going to write this and what do I say? It's all done for them in a swipe copy file. We've also got social media images here that they can download that are branded for BrainSync, right? We don't want them necessarily creating their own images in PicMonkey and Canva and putting that up, because that wouldn't be a good representation of Kelly's brand. So we want our own images that they can use, and again, it's done for them. And then we've got also website and email images that are sized appropriately, that they can put on their website or put in their emails. So it makes it really easy. Kelly doesn't need to do any work with this. The only thing they need to do is decide if that affiliate would be a good fit for them and enroll them in the back end of their Thinkific site. That affiliate can then get their own links. They've got all the information they need in order to get their unique links, promote the Kelly's programs to their own audiences, and bring in sales. So if you don't yet have your affiliate program set up and you have active online courses that are running, I would highly encourage you to get that set up as soon as possible, and then make sure that all of your past students know that you're now offering to pay them for sharing your courses with other people. If you need some help with that, make sure you click the links below. One is to my do-it-yourself course. The other is to our services, and we can help you out with this. So best of luck. Go and set up your affiliate program and watch the sales roll in.